Today we are working on the delegation problem, which you might have in your smart contracts if you play with low-level functions on your own. So you can see that it's about a delegate call in the things that might help, and fallback methods. And indeed, when we scroll down to the smart contract, we actually have two smart contracts. So it looks like the main one, which is delegation, which we'll interact with, has the fallback, and it also stores the instance of the delegate. So it's like a smaller smart contract that will be used inside of this one. So as you can see, we don't have a real interface to interact with the delegate thing, and we want to trigger the pawn function, which is in this one. So we can't do something like contract.spawn because we have no access. It doesn't extend the delegate contract. So the only way to access this function is through the fallback, because we can see that we take the delegate, so the contract from the top, and we use the low-level function delegate call with the message data that the sender sends. So any message data we send, any instructions we send, will be executed in this contract instead of this one, because of the delegate call command. So it's pretty easy to exploit. So we can't write contract.spawn. We have to create our own function signature. So we can start with the practical part now.
Okay, so at first we get the signature of the function of delegate contract. Then we will send the transaction to send something to fallback, the delegation contract. And then the point is that it delegates the call to the function of a delegate contract. And if confirmed, that should be it. All right, let's try to submit. Also, if you want more, follow, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.